Welcome back. For this video, I want to add on to the Google Sites video by showing you how to enhance your website by embedding different Google tools into your classroom site for Google Sites. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off by creating a new page. So again, you go to the plus page button down here, and you're going to, I want to add an RTI and MTSS page. So I'm going to click on this. So it is right here. But now what I want to do is I want to embed, or I want to add a Google presentation that I have created on slides. So there's a couple ways you can do this. One way is you can hit the Insert tab here. You can click on Embed, and that's going to bring this up for you. Or as just a quick tool, you can double click in the center of the page. That's going to bring up this little round circle with a bunch of quick tools to click on. You're going to want to click on this symbol here, Embed. You can use the URL, or you can find the embed code. So to get to the embed code, you want to go back to the presentation that you would like to have. You're going to click on File. Make sure that it is scrolled all the way up to the top. And you are going to want to go to Share right down here. And you're going to click on Publish to the Web. So you can have the link, or you can embed it. So the slide size, we'll put medium. We'll do a medium. Auto advanced slides, you can have them advance every second, every 5 seconds. So we'll do every 10 seconds. So there's a couple options. You can hit Start Slideshow as soon as the player loads. Restart the slideshow after the last slide. So you can click this, or I like to leave this unclicked because then it gives them a chance to start it when they're ready. So then you click Publish. Okay. And then right down here is where they give you the embed code. You're going to want to highlight this whole thing here and copy it. And then you'll come over here to your Google site, and right down here is where you will paste that information. Then you will hit Next. And it should bring up your site right here, and you're going to hit Insert. Now, if you're realizing that this is cut off, you can use these to stretch it and to fit it so that way it fits right nicely onto your page here. And you can scroll down a little bit so that way you can make sure you get your whole thing on there. You're going to want to make sure that you have the whole picture on here. Make sure these are down here so that way the viewer can go through easily. Once you are happy with how your picture looks, you're going to want to preview the page just to see what the viewer is seeing as you are seeing it. So click on the preview button, and then this will give you a nice picture of what students or staff are going to see when they go clicking on to the RTI and MTSS button. You can play with it a little bit to see if it's going to click through, and it looks very nice. It fits well on the page. Then you can exit the preview, hitting the back button, or right down here, you can hit right down here, it says Exit Preview. And it brings you back to your page so you may continue working on your Google site.